everybody, welcome back to the channel. EJR here on good old Rocket Taxi once again, and I am with Mr. Chris on Project Vader, or V4der as it's spelled, with his new Roaring Toys 5-over swing arm on it. We're going to be testing that thing out and see where its next weakness is. My guess is it's going to be the quick shifter, but that'll be happening throughout the weekend, and then once the bike comes back to me, I'll be doing more work to it. Single rotor, deleting the ABS, any emissions in the bike we can get rid of. And Bren will be helping me out by disabling any codes and doing any ECU work that might need to be done. Speaking of Bren, we're actually heading up there right now to meet up with him and 650 Ebe. 650 Ebe is doing the H2 giveaway because I believe the person who won it is in Massachusetts, and that's where Bren is. Bren will also be tuning Ebe's next giveaway bike, the 2020 BMW, as well as the Aprilia RSV4. So I figured I would take Rocket Taxi out and do some test riding with that. I figure this is a good opportunity to show how well this R1 actually does in a race, since we haven't done any racing with it. But alright, we're going to be hitting some small traffic here. I'll see you guys at BrenTuning.
Does all sorts of funky shit at different temperatures, huh?
Yep, which will stabilize the IET.
Yeah.
From there's a good average of 4. You can see how lean they are when they stop. That bump in the middle, we're going to fix all that. One runway is 194 when it's full. The hot runway 187. How's that for pump gas?
This bike is the BMW on MR12, but with pump gas. No, that one just did, yeah. Oh, shit. 213 wheel on pump gas.